Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alice's Kitchen. Now in today's video we will be making sweet and sour chicken. Now sister, you've been watching this video and you haven't subscribed as yet. Come on now, hit that subscribe button and turn on that post notification. Now let's cook. So guys, for my sweet and sour chicken, I have 3 large chicken breasts. Here I'm just cutting the excess fat. Now I'm going to cut it in cubes. So guys, for my season, over here I have Maggi all-purpose season. I also have garlic powder, oil, some parsley flakes, Cajun season, and onion powder. And there we have our chicken cut in cubes. So okay guys, now I'm adding the oil and I'm just going to toss that. Just coat the, making sure that all the chicken is well coated with that oil, just so that the season can stick to it. Now guys, the first season I'm using is the garlic powder, and I'm just using a wooden spoon just to toss everything, just making sure that it is well coated. Secondly, I'm going in with the onion powder, and I'm just gonna repeat the same step guys. Just toss everything. I mean, you can go ahead and add all the seasoning at once. I will be doing that, you know, further on in the video in the next minute or so. Yeah, next I'm adding the parsley flakes, Maggi all-purpose season, and the Cajun season. And this blend guys, like, trust me, just the onion powder, the garlic powder, like, trust me, those combined together, it's fire. Like, it's on a different level. It's just on a different level of season, you know, just so flavorful. It's just what I'm saying, just so good. So now guys, I will be setting this aside. If you guys have time, you can go ahead and marinate yours. I just didn't have the time. Now for my coating, I'm using 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, some Cajun and Old Bay season, and I'm just mixing that all together. Mix, mix, mix. Then I'm gonna add water, egg, more water, and more water. Then I'm gonna mix it. Just whisk that together until the batter is smooth guys. The consistency should resemble thick pancake. Well, not too thick, but not too thin either. You know, because you don't want this thick coat on your chicken. Nobody wants that. So yeah. Let's say pancake. Maybe not pancake, maybe crepes. Yeah. Maybe crepes, not pancake, crepes. This would be too runny for a pancake. So I'm just gonna say crepes. Okay, guys? So here I'm adding the chicken to the batter. Then I'm gonna be, oh my god, guys, like trust me here, guys. Right there, my phone literally almost fell in the oil. I had to catch it real quick. Trust me. The devil is a lie, okay? Anyways, guys, here I'm frying my chicken. So guys, I'm frying them for about 3 to 4 minutes until they're golden brown, and I'm gonna be frying them in batches because it's like a lot of chicken bites there. Now I'm gonna be placing them on a wire rack just to drain just to drain the excess oil. So guys, here I'm just repeating the same steps with the chicken. Okay guys, I realized the phone wasn't recording, but anyways, I went ahead and I cut some pineapples. Here I'm cutting red bell pepper. I'll also be cutting up green bell peppers and red onions. So now guys, in a skillet on medium to high heat, I'm adding 1/4 cup of corn oil. Now I'm adding the veggies. If you guys have a wok, you guys can go ahead and use your wok. Now I'm just sauteing the veggies until they are fragrant and slightly softened. So guys, while the veggies are sauteing, I'll be making my sweet and sour sauce. Now I'm using ketchup, oyster sauce because I didn't want to use the soy sauce. Granulated sugar, you can add brown if you have. Vinegar, you can balance this to your liking. Mix. Then guys, I'll be adding pineapple juice. Then you're going to slowly add this to the pan, and I'm going to reduce the heat slightly and simmer it for about 2.5 minutes. Now guys, I'm adding the chicken pieces to it, and this is what's going to thicken the sauce because it has that flour coating on it. Now you just want to coat each chicken with that sauce. As you guys can see, it's getting thicker. And this smells so good, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, look at that. So good. But guys, that's practically the end of the video, guys. I'm just gonna go ahead and top that off with some sesame seed, and yeah, voila, Panda Express has nothing on me. Oh yeah. Okay, this is so good, guys. Just serve that with a bowl of rice and you're good to go. Anyways, I thank you guys so much for stopping by to watch another video, guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notification so you can get notified when I post new video. Love you guys so much. Bye. See you guys in my next video.